How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1971 Monte Carlo. It's got 396 in it. It's done in Artic White. They've done a Z28 hood scoop on it. Looks cool. So all the grill and the headlight bezels are in excellent condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. An older gentleman had this car and he did a lot of the mechanical work on it and did some nice upgrades. Got all the trim on it like it should. Got factory Chevy rallies. It's got 396 with a 700 R4 overdrive trans. Got posi rear with rear sway bar. It's got tubular upper lower A-arms in the front. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. All original tail lights and bezels in excellent condition. It's got all tinted glass. Car looks real good down the sides. And again, it's got a fresh built 396 LS3 in it. 396, so it's like a 402 now. I got all the build paperwork on the motor. It's got power disc brakes, power steering, got factory air with updated compressor. And the tubular A-arms up front, and a 700R overdrive. Got 342 posi. It's a factory exhaust manifolds and the duals out the back. Got the factory blue interior. Got the in-dash tach, factory tach and gauge package in it. Retro stereo system in it. All the headliner looks like new. Seats all look real good. They are original, I believe, as well as the door panels. He did put new carpet in it. Jams all look good. You have to kind of bear with us. We're rushing today. It's about 12 or 13 degrees right now. Trunk all looks good in it. It's got the factory jack and spare. And a little folder here of all the stuff that was done to the car. We don't get that very often, but this gentleman, passed it along. He had some health reasons, the only reason it got sold. And I like the Monte Carlos, they ride real nice, and they got a lot of the Chevelle SS, options. Factory disc and the cool dash. Thing fires right off. So we got turn signal bulb out. We'll get that taken care of. Backup lights don't work. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Also follow us on Facebook. Due to the road conditions, we won't take it out on the road today. Just salty, nasty roads.